Experiment 1. Fluid Rigid Body Motion. The team was Mohammed Kamel, Mohammed Ghoraba, and Mustafa Gamal. The experiment is divided into 3 tasks. The first one is to test fluid in linear rigid body motion. Second one was for test fluids in rigid body rotation motion. And the third one was for cork fluid accelerometer. For the first task, we have used inclined rod and with various heights. Then we compared each measurement we have with the theoretical value of the slope. As the first trial, the height was 7 cm. At the second trial, it was 12 cm. And the third trial was 17 cm. In this experiment or in this task, there was many reasons of error to be arose, like unclear snapshots in calculating the slope, frictions with the cart in the motion, irregularities in the container itself inside with the fluid, and irregular initial water motion before going downstream of the rod. For the second task, we have used in first trial a container of our design with a fan but with an unknown angular velocity. And that was the problem. In the other trials, we have used setup in the lab to calculate the angular velocity using different container. At the first trial of this setup, the angular velocity calculated was 6.82 radian per second. The second trial in this setup was 8.52 rad per second. And the last one was 11.36 rad per second. In this task, the error can be found due to error in measuring the angular velocity. The mass of container might have increased the friction in rotation, and the probable shape parameters were difficult to obtain due to the shape of the container. And the last thing may arise in errors is that the center of the rotation itself was not the same as the center of the container. In the third task, we have used a plastic jar and a rope with a cork. This was to have a direction of acceleration of a container having water and using a floating cork that will indicate the direction of acceleration.